need to say. I suppose the big thing for me is the patient safety. I'm not interested in kind of revenge, that's not what I'm here for. I do want to see accountability, and I would like to see a legacy that this will never happen again to any woman, man or child in this country, because there are, this is not just a woman issue. This is, affecting men and children who are without their mothers and their wives. I never want to see this happen again. And if I do die, I want it to be not in vain, and I want to make sure that there are protocols put in place, sanctions for people who are not who make these mistakes and are held accountable, and that the HSE is overhauled, and I mean overhauled, from the ground up, so that people are held accountable, and that this will never happen again in any shape or form.
Okay.